Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Question 12. Two resistors of resistance 2 ohms and 3 ohms are connected in parallel. Calculate the combined resistance of the resistors in this arrangement. So I'm going to do this question with you. Now remember, this is the formula that we use when we have to calculate the combined resistance of resistors in parallel. So it's 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over the reading on the first resistor plus 1 over the resistance of the second resistor. All right, so what is the reading on the first resistor? It is 2 ohms, right? So this will be 1 over 2. What is the reading on the second resistor that we are working with? It is 3 ohms, right? So this will be 1 over 3. So 1 over Rp is equal to a half plus a third. I'm not saying Rp is equal to a half plus a third. I'm saying 1 over Rp is equal to a half plus a third. Now we have to remember, if we have two fractions and we have to add them and they do not have the same denominators, we have to make sure that they do have the same denominators before we can add them. So what we do is we look for the LCM. LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. And in this case, the LCM, the lowest common multiple, will be 6. So to change 1 over 2 to a fraction that has 6 as its denominator, what do I do to the 2? I multiply it by 3. So to get from 2 to 6, I multiply by 3. Whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do at the top as well. So this becomes 3 over 6. Now let's do the same to the second fraction. Here we have 1 over 3, and I know that my denominator will change to 6. So what do I do to 3? To get to 6, I multiply by 2. Whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do at the top as well. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 over Rp is equal to 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Now that the denominators are the same, I can add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 1 over Rp is equal to 5 over 6. Let me just write this out. So 1 over Rp is equal to 5 over 6. So Rp is not equal to 5 over 6. 1 over Rp is equal to 5 over 6. So now I have to invert it. So Rp is equal to 6 over 5. So let's quickly see what happened here. To get Rp, I had to swap the denominator and the numerator. Whatever I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side as well. So I swapped the denominator and the numerator on the right-hand side as well. And that gives me 6 over 5. And if you write this in decimal format, it will be 1,2 ohms. So the total resistance will be 1,2 ohms. Okay, so if we have resistors in series, it's very easy, we add them. If we have resistors in parallel, you need to tell yourself, okay, now I have to focus. And then you think of this formula that we've learned about here. Okay? And then you also think about the fact that we have to invert over here.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.